Hello students, I am your English mentor and today we are going to start off with a very interesting topic. Do you want to know the topic which I have chosen for today? Yes, it's called zoo. Now zoo is a place wherein many kind of animals are kept so that the public or the audience or people can see who these animals are and what do they look like, because we cannot go to wild forest, right, to see these animals, which is why we have kept a place and the government sets up a place wherein they keep all these animals, and that place is called a zoo. So on this very note, we will start off now. So color the outline of the zebra below to match the given picture. Now this is a sample zebra that you have, and now you are supposed to color this one. So this is a very fun exercise that you can do before we start off. Now moving on, we will see that in the zoo we love to go, where animals put on a show. So as children, as teenagers, or even as elders, we love to go to places which make us feel a little more closer to nature, and animals are also a part of nature. So as we see that whenever we go to zoo, we love going there, and then these animals are just put on a show, as you can see in the image, that they are kept there so that we can see them. Giraffes tall, reaching for leaves, elephant strong, no one believes. So this is a giraffe, and giraffes are very tall, right, so that they can reach out for these leaves which are there on the tree. And elephants are so strong that nobody really believes. This is an elephant. And then monkeys swing from tree to tree, lions roar, proud and free. So this is a monkey, and they keep swinging, moving and jumping from one tree to another tree. And after that, we just read about the lions, and lion is also the king of the jungle. So they roar, they are very proud, and also they are free. Nobody can capture them. So as you can see, this is a lion. Now zebras with stripes, so unique. Birds chirping, a language they speak. So zebras have stripes on their body. As we saw in the previous page, that zebras have those black and white stripes, right? So zebras with stripes, so unique. It is a very unique animal because it has stripes on it. And then birds are chirping. Chirping means in the language they talk, right? So chirping is basically the language that the birds speak or use. Now, in the zoo, we laugh and play, learning about animals all day. So, in the zoo, we always have to, enjoy and play, because this is going to be a picnic day for all the students. And then we also, enjoy and wonder, we explore. So when we learn about these animals, we also love to enjoy, and there is so much of excitement. And not only that, we also feel like exploring things. Exploring is your curiosity or your interest in knowing something a little more better. So zoo animals we adore. Zoo animals we adore means the zoo animals that we love. Now here are the multiple animals that we studied about, and we all love these animals. So in the zoo, there's so much to see, a place of joy and curiosity. So in a place like zoo, there is so much to see. There are so many things that one can see, and of course, it is a place wherein a person can have a lot of joy, and also it is full of curiosity. Now the word curiosity here means interest or desire to know something. When a person goes to the zoo, they really have this desire to learn a little more about these animals. Where do they come from, what is their habitat, and what makes them different from the other animals, which ones are carnivores, which one are omnivores or herbivores. And also there are so many things that one has in his or her mind, so that they can go back to their homes and learn a little more. So come along, let's all go to the zoo where wonders grow. Now let us all get ready and go to the zoo, because that is a place where all the wonderful things grow, and those wonderful things are none other than these animals, and they just make us feel complete and happy in our nature. So with this we have come to an end of this particular poetry, and herein we just studied about a few animals and the qualities that they have. Now, are you going to attempt a few exercise with me just related to this poetry? Yes. So moving on, we will see now that for every question you will get three options, and out of those three options only one option is correct. Now, are you going to help me understand what that one option is? So, in a dash, every animal is on display. So, in a school, in a zoo, or in a park, which one is correct option? Now I know that you are excited to share your answer. And yes, the right answer is the zoo. So, who is the tallest? Giraffe, monkey, or elephant? Yes, the tallest one is giraffe. Dash, roar, proud and free. So, cats, dogs, or lions. Which animal roars? So, it is the lions. And now we are supposed to fill in the blanks. Now, as I have already told you that there are a few blanks which are empty, and we have to place the right word in the right blank. So, zebra with stripes is so dash, is so unique. So, we will write the word unique here. We explore the zoo with dash and wonder. So, we explore the zoo with joy. What is the word? Joy and wonder. In the zoo, we learn about dash all day. So, in the zoo, we learn about animals all day. Dash is strong, no one believes. So, we will write elephant. Is strong, no one believes. So, this is how we are going to, fill in all of these blanks. And towards the end, you are going to attempt these descriptive questions by yourself in the book. Moving on, we will see some more questions. So, the word building exercise now. Write at least 6 words using the given letter. Now, we are given a few letters here, and we have to build a few words out of it. For example, the letter that we are given is C. Now, you have to think of at least 6 more words which start from C. I can help you find 2 words. So, from C, the word can be cup. The word can be cup. And also, what other word can we think of from C? It can be chair. It can be chair. And now you have to tell me at least 4 more words with it. Next up we have M. So what is that word that we can think of from M? From the word M, you can make the word money. You can make the word money. And what else can you think of from M? Yes, it is monkey. You can also write monkey. After this, we have I. So you can write ink here. You can write ink here. And also, from I, the other word you can think is eyes. You can think of the word eyes. And now we have P. So from P, we can write pen and even pin. Then we have S. From S, we can write sage, and also we can write socks. So these are the simple words that we can make from S. After that we have A. So from A we can write apple. We can also write ant. Now I have helped you frame two words from each letter. Now you are supposed to find four more words from each letter and write them in your box, in this box itself. And now we are going to understand some grammatical questions. So look at these pictures and their names. So a girl, an orange, a book and an apple. So what did you observe here? We observed that we have put a somewhere and an elsewhere. So we need to understand that where do we use a and an. So a and an are articles. What are they? They are articles. We use a with nouns that start with consonants. So we use, the article a whenever there is a consonant alphabet. Consonants, as I have already told you, are the letters which are not vowels. Out of the 26 alphabets that we have in our English language, we have 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O and U. These are the 5 letters that we have. But apart from these 5 letters, what are the other letters called? They are called consonants. So we use a with those consonants and an with those vowels. So we use an with nouns that start with vowels. A and an are used before nouns which are singular in number. So whenever we refer to only one object, one thing or one person, we always use either a or an, and we use them as per the letter which is given after them, whether it is a consonant or a vowel. I hope you understood what I just wanted to explain. But for better clarity, we are going to attempt a few questions now. So we will see that write a or an in the blanks below. So she is dash painter. Now you tell me, P is a vowel or P is a consonant. The letter which is given here, is this letter a consonant or is this letter a vowel? Yes, you are right. This letter is a consonant. So we will write a here. That she is a painter. And then this bowl is dash owl. This bird is dash owl. So this bird they are talking about. But what is the letter that we are given? The letter is O. And what were the vowels? A, E, I, O and U. So O falls under the category of vowels. So what are we going to write? That this bird is an owl. Now she is baking dash cake. Now the letter C. What is this letter? Is it a vowel or is it a consonant? This is a consonant. So we will write she is baking a cake. And the last one we have, I have dash umbrella. Now the letter U is also a vowel. So we will write I have an umbrella. And then we are going to understand a few pronunciation words. It goes like pan, man, van, land, bag, fan, band and sand. So these are the words that you are also supposed to say out loud so that you can understand their pronunciation. And do not forget to use these words in your daily life. Moving on, we will see one very interesting fun exercise just for you. Herein, you are going to look at these pictures and complete the sentences. These animals are standing at some particular block. You have to understand them and fill it for me. And lastly, we have one more connect the dots exercise. You are going to get this beautiful animal, which is called a dog, when you connect all these dots. And once you're done with it, make sure you color it with beautiful colors. So with this, we have come to an end for today's class. And we have studied about the zoo and so many beautiful animals which are unique, and also they make us feel good and proud about our country. So on this note, I would like to say that take care of yourself and your family. Do not forget to revise this particular exercise and chapter so that we are able to understand a lot more in the coming up sessions. Till then, take care and bye-bye.